guys, this is Crafty Kathy here. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Even I'm new, it's a brand new channel. Anyway, I am super excited because, look at this, a package from Amazon came in, and I am really excited to get into it. So, one of the things that I did order from Amazon is some kind of clampy tubey thing to hold my camera so that I can film point of view videos and have my hands free, but I don't have that yet, and that won't come till after Christmas. So I'm just recording with my regular camera right now. So I'm gonna have to put this down and do some editing magic to open this box up, but as you can see, it's all closed. I'm super excited for this. All right, guys, hang on. Okay, guys, so I have it opened mostly. I'm super excited to look inside, so let's take a look. Let's see what we've got. I'm sorry, my foot is in view, maybe. I should put socks on, huh? Let's open this up. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. What did we get? Alright, this is the biggest thing, so let's take that out. These are Qualson. I don't know if my camera's zooming in on that quality, you can see. And these are little storage kits for gems, for diamond gems, which I always thought were beads, but they're drills. I'll get the vocabulary. So I bought these on Amazon. And hang on, and I'll open these up, okay? Okay, so I got one of them out of the plastic covering, and let's see if we can do this, if I can do this right. They've got little latches. So there's a little outside case, and on the inside, there's a sticker sheet with, there's three down that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 times 12, there's 3 times 12 stickers. 3 times 10 is 30, 33, 36 stickers. Oh my gosh, math with cat. And there's another set on the other side. And these are just little cute Tic Tac containers. I saw a video where someone recommended them. And I could never eat this many Tic Tacs. They're smaller than a regular Tic Tac container. But I am a klutz. I've been using the little baggies from the dollar store. They're working well, actually. So I don't even know. This might have been a waste of money, but it will be once I get my kits coming in and I start, instead of just doing dollar store stuff, it will be a nice way to keep organized. So they're very cute, and they're very cold. This just came in the mail, and it's cold out. Alright, so that is nice. And I like that it has an inner box, like a bunch of little ones, and then this outer one to keep everything secure. And they're not that big. I thought it would be bigger. I was thinking like the size of a real Tic Tac box, but this is fine. Because now that I've seen how many drills normally come in, oh, I didn't get that back in there. Look, it's not in. I'll fix that after. Alright, so we've got 2 of those that came in the set. And I don't remember how much I paid for that, but I can put a link to where I got them below if you want. It was just on Amazon.ca. I think that looks fun. So let's hang on. That looks fun, so we'll wait. So then I got just some plain Avery stickers. And these were very inexpensive. And I didn't know what size to get, so I got 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch. I might have got them too big, but if they are too big, I don't think they are. Can you see in there? I can barely see, so I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. But I can always use scissors to cut them to size. So, extra scissors. So there's 540 labels in there, just blank labels. Okay, this is what I'm excited for, because I see sparkly things. And I love sparkly things. Like, I'm addicted. Ooh, my keychains are in. I'm so excited. So I got this order of Christmas keychains off of Amazon. And they were supposed to come in on the 15th. And then the other day they said it wouldn't be until the 20th. And then today they arrived and it's the 15th. So I'm really, really excited about that. So it says, I can't really read what that says. Maybe I can read it in editing. 9-piece Christmas DIY. Alright, so let's take a look at these. Can I do this with one hand? No, I can't. So I'm going to have to put you guys down again. Okay, so I've got the outer bag open. Let's see if I can get this out. I'm really liking this, what I'm seeing. I plan on, if I can possibly get these done in time, I always make my mom a set of ornaments for Christmas. And if not, I did crochet her a set of backup ornaments that I did put on my brand new website, or what is it called, a vlog? My YouTube channel, Crafty Cat. I did put that on today, so it went live today. So this looks really cool, and it looks like I'm going to have to open it up. Let me see. Did they use tape? Because if they use tape, I can do it with one hand. I think I can do it with one hand. If it's too much crinkling, I can always edit it. Ooh, okay. They did. So it's a bag. It's a bag. I'm getting in there. So, oh, that's very pretty. We have a little Christmas ornament. And it's like a full drill ornament, and there's special drills in there. And it's two-sided. And there's a little hole right here at the top where you can put the little, they have little hangy bits. Let me see if I can grab one, or I don't know if they're all attached. No, they're not. There's little hangy bits that you can hang. So you can hang them from the tree with these little hangy bits that go through at the top. So let me see if I can go up here. No, you're getting a glare here. What about against the bed? So I'm sitting on the floor in the spare room. And you guys, I'm so embarrassed. I started ordering Christmas gifts early because I heard it was going to be a shipping nightmare and problems with distribution. So these are all, and I basically buy for my mom and my dad and my nieces and nephews I usually send money to, and I buy for my aunts and my uncles and my best friends and my cousins and my neighbor's mom. So this is all stuff in here. So I have no more room. So I have to open these on the floor because I don't want to open these downstairs because then my mother, if she comes in, she might see them. So I'm upstairs in a spare room. So those are very pretty. Let's take a look at the rest of them. So let's move this back a little bit. So we have an ornament. Good thing I just vacuumed the floor. And we have a little sleigh. A little double-sided Santa sleigh. That's going to be very pretty. And you can see the drill marks are, like, they're bigger than normal, which is great. Or maybe it's not. I've never done one before. And a little Christmas tree, and it looks like it might be missing some glue from the corner. There's like a little thing that has to be slid back. And it looks like it was already accidentally slid back over here. So I have glue, so if I need to, I can put glue down. But that's a little Christmas tree. And they put the hole off center. So it's going to hang on an angle. I wonder why they did that. We're getting a glare. Sorry I don't have the room. After Christmas, I'll be better set up. And then, this is very pretty. Look at this. It's a pretty little bell, and it's also double-sided. And this has some special diamond drills in the middle and on the bottom. And here comes a big one. A Christmas present. Isn't that pretty? And the poinsettia in the middle. And the ribbons all look like special drills. And again, this is double-sided. And they feel nice. I don't know if you could see. They're thick. They're like some kind of a plasticky ornament. Not thin plastic, like acrylic, maybe. And let's grab, oh, I grabbed two. A Santa. So these are actually keychains. So I could also just give them out as gifts, like one at a time. People could hang them on their keys. I don't know. Do people like getting this thing as a gift? I don't know. I mean, that's a kind of an assumption. I mean, it means you're thinking of someone and it's handmade, but I don't know. I know people like getting my crochet stuff, so. I mean, I would like getting this, but I'm different. So here are the bells, the Christmas bells. Isn't that pretty? I really like that. The black really makes the red pop. And it comes with these little things to turn it into a keychain. So you attach it to the chain at the bottom, I guess. And this just kind of moves it in and out. Can you see that? Like that. And it comes with a little green boat tray. It looks like a little boat. And the red wax and a little pen. So that is the kit that comes, like the, is this called a tool kit? Because I keep calling them kits, but the whole thing is a kit. All right. So in the bag, oh my God, there's more. Wow. I've got a lot more than I forgot already how many there were. We've got a little stocking. I think it works better if I hold it up here, except for the glare. Isn't that cute? I really like that. I was so looking forward to these coming in. I thought these were going to be my first try at diamond painting. That was what I was expecting. These and the cards that I ordered. Oops, I gave it away. Look how cute that snowman is. What is he holding? Is he holding a snowball? It's so cute. So you guys, here is the set. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I knew that because I read it at the beginning. And then I promptly forgot. Move the back. So that's cute. And then it comes with all of these drills and more dangly bits to hang them and turn them into keychains. So here are the diamond drills that they come with. And look at, they're all special drills. They're pretty. They're like rhinestoney. So pretty. Do you guys want to see? Hang on, I'll open them up. I think so. Okay, you guys, I got the diamond drills out, and there's a long pile of them. So, let me see if I can zoom in. That might be better than me trying to lean. Zoom, we're zooming. Is the camera focusing okay? So we've got some pretty gold ones. And some pretty darker color ones. And some pretty, I think those are clear. Let's, no. Too close. Sparkly ones, clear. And some reds. Like I can get closer, but then. Some reds. And here's some really pretty ones. These are the teardrop multicolors. I see pink and green and orange. Beautiful. And they're silver on the back. And these are like an emerald green. And more of those teardrops in like a peacock color. Beautiful. Oh, I'm super excited about these. And red. I love sparkly. And these are bigger than the little ones. Oh, I like the bigger ones. Awesome. I think I need like bigger one. You know how you need bigger books when you get older? I need bigger diamond painting kits than what they are. This is great. And these are kind of iridescent. It's so pretty. And what color is that? Is that a green or a blue? They look both green and blue. I guess they match these ones over here. The same kind of colors. Greeny bluey. And then we have more like reds. And this is more like a beautiful red. Wine color almost. So here, I'll pick them up. I don't know how best to show you these. I'll do my best with what I have. Eventually, I will get the right equipment. So these are so pretty, you guys. I was so impressed by how pretty they are. Was my foot just in that? Super pretty. That is so cool. I really like that. And you guys, this is long enough. I think I'm going to have to save the rest of the unboxing for another video. So I hope you like that. And if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe and take care. And I think I really like this one. I might have to keep the bells for myself. Alright guys, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.